I think I cannot imagine myself at a college other than Rice. Ashish sir told me, like my mentor, like he saw the fit, and I'm not even joking, I was kind of unsure about it at first, but once I really researched into it and I found out this stuff about the university, I was like, oh my god, I have to go here, and now I do. Hi, I am Akshata Patil. I'm from Pune International School in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and I will be attending Rice University this August. What kept me going was just the place I want to be. I have aspirations, dreams of my own, and I feel like once I had that hint of success, oh yeah, I can get this done. I did my portfolios, my capstone, and as we were hitting milestones, so it just made me want to keep going, and in the end goal has obviously been amazing because now I'm going where I wanted to. Yeah, definitely. I'd say I'm way more articulate now. I'm definitely wiser, older. I would say I've definitely found myself through this process. Self-discovery has happened, and now I have really, I would say, blossomed into my personality. I would not say I was exactly an introvert before, but this whole process has just made me more pronounced about the things I like and not to be ashamed of the things I like and just be more loud. I think I cannot imagine myself at a college other than Rice. Ashish sir told me, like my mentor, he saw the fit, and I'm not even joking, I was kind of unsure about it at first, but once I really researched into it and I found out this stuff about the university, I was like, oh my god, I have to go here, and now I do. I would definitely say my research paper. So I wrote my research paper on basically dinosaur bones and analyzing their sizes and everything, along with Nishchal sir, who is my best co-author, my best and only co-author. And we had a lot of fun during the process, but it definitely wasn't easy because I picked a niche subject, that is dinosaurs. There's not a lot of data available. We faced a lot of just roadblocks, dead ends, but in the end we ended up getting a good result, something to write a research paper out of. And he definitely, Nishchal sir was my sole encourager, and through the whole process he was just keep going, we're gonna get there. So yeah, we got there. So basically, the thing is, we don't know which side of the earth is the top and which is the bottom. So I wrote an essay on this because I discovered it through a picture. There was a whole controversy on a picture called the blue sky or something along those lines, or the blue planet, I think. And basically, I wrote a whole essay on it talking about how we never really know what's true, what's false. And through this, I found a discovery ki, oh, we were looking at this wrong. Everybody has a unique perspective, and that's basically what we wanted to convey through that essay. And yeah. I would say some of my favorite times at Athena were definitely my sessions with Riddhi ma'am, so just outlining my profile, and then definitely had so much fun with Ayesha ma'am and Nidhi ma'am as well. We wrote essays together, me and Ayesha ma'am used to just talk, and we would sort things out. There was a lot of joking. It was all very fun. So yeah. The first word would be fun, the second would be intuitive, and the third is knowledgeable.